Day 2, feeding Prada. We're going to see her work for food. I'm just working on eye contact. Yes. We've done this a couple times now. This is yes. Our third hand feeding dinner. Good. Yes. Yes. Good girl. Yes. Are you offering all sorts of behaviors? Yes. Ready, go get it. Ready, go get it. Good. Good. Yes. You are so smart. All right, I should have filmed the first one because this is a big improvement. Good. Yes. Good. Yes. Ready? Prada. Get it. My hand touch. Yes. Whoops, go get it. Yes. 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 Ready, steady, ready. Go get it. Yeah. Ready? Down. Yes. Okay, go get it. Ready? Down. Down. Yes. Yes. Dog. Prada. Prada. Yes. Okay, ready? Go get it. Good. Get that a little bit. What are you doing? What is your issue? You have an issue somewhere? You have an issue somewhere? Alright, we'll look at that in a minute. Hey, come here. Yes. Yes. Good. Yes. Good. Yes. Just look at me. Good, yes. That was good. Look at how many you get. Wait, girlie. Ready, here. Yes. Don't listen to them. Yes. Okay. Focus. Yes. Good girl. Look at you. Yay. That was good. You looked at me that whole time. Good girl. Good. Good. I was kind of looking. Yes. You can tell by her ears too when she's looking. A little more focused. Good. Yes. Good girl. Good. Yes. Good job. That was awesome. Oh, there's one. Go get that one. Ready? Go get it. Good. Ready? Go get it. Ready? Go get it. Ready? Down. Yes. Down. Yes. Yes. Good girl. Excellent. Good job. Good job. Put your toy up.